So this afternoon we have something very exciting planned here in Tokyo. And try not to get one over at the same time.
We are heading to our very first experience of making our own sushi.
Yay!
We have made it to Tokyo. Welcome to the vibrant metropolis of Tokyo, where tradition and innovation meet in a burst of excitement. For the next week, we will be cramming in as much as possible in Japan's bustling capital city. Expect neon-lit streets, mouth-watering sushi spots, ancient temples, and fun-filled days out.
We've made it to Disney Sea!
In today's vlog, we will be getting our hands sticky and our tummies full in an immersive sushi making class. But are we up to the task? Super excited to finally learn how to make some sushi. And here is a list of everything we're going to make. The one I want to know how to make. California roll. It's my favourite.
First, we are going to cook this one.
Yeah.
Egg, rolled egg.
We love egg.
Okay.
Tamagoyaki.
Yes, tamagoyaki in Japanese.
I'm really excited to get going.
1, 2, 3.
Like a pro.
The first layer is a little bit tricky, but don't worry about it. Nobody will see the first layer.
Oh wow.
You've done this before,
I know. Just a few times.
Yeah. Just important oil one pour. And go underneath of the first layer. So it's easy to go.
Oh, look at that.
Hard.
It's going to look like a mess.
Pan's incredible.
I know.
It just shapes the whole egg.
Perfect.
Bamboo mat has sides, right? Bumpy one and flat one. Use bumpy one, bumpy side down. So put your hand on.
Yeah.
Okay, flip it very quickly. Wrap it around with this bamboo mat. So.
Perfect.
Okay, so.
You gonna go first?
Start.
I'll go first.
You go first.
Oil the pan. So it's not moving much anymore.
Oh, very nice. Yes, very nice. Good. Hey. Wow, nice.
And
We've
then
got an imprint.
tuck it under, fold this down, and just push
Gently, yes. Keep it on your desk.
Amazing. No pressure, Alex. She now has to follow a pro.
Just how to pick up this. Okay. Just take it down.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nice.
Nice, very quick. Can't do that last one. Okay, it's okay. You can Yes. Nice. Woo! Yay!
Good job. Whoa!
Ooh, nice job.
You did an excellent job. So if you're like us and are big lovers of sushi, but have never actually made it yourself, we felt this class is perfect for beginners. We actually found this class online and I've left a link in the description below for you. It costs us 9,000 yen per person, which works out around 95 Australian dollars. But considering the class lasts for around 3 hours, everything you learn, make, and ultimately end up eating, we think it's worth every penny.
Aka means red. Make it stick all the way to
To get the shape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little bit sake, like wine. A little bit salt too. Are you ready? One,
ready.
two, let's go! All the way.
All the way and let it go.
All the way.
And cook 1 minute.
1 minute later.
Sushi rice.
3 cups of sugar.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
A lot.
It's gone.
Observe.
Yeah. Use it all the time. So all over. And on me.
That'd be even. This is what I've got.
I just
Shiny one and bumpy one.
Yep.
Too much.
Yeah. First time in my life I've ever made sushi.
Yes.
And we love it so much.
And kind of.
Alex is making soft serve ice cream.
And the big egg.
This time, bamboo mat and wrapper together.
Yeah.
So make a big whip. And tuck again. Tuck,
Okay.
tuck. Open the bamboo mat, right? So in the wrapper one more time. See?
And then just roll over.
Yes. And wrap it with the wrapper.
Okay.
That's all.
You
That's
made
all.
it very easy.
It's good. Just cut into 3.
So take this
And
one.
this salmon roe ikura. This one will make like this. So just wait for this. I'll
Okay.
show you how to make.
Yeah.
Hands to the water, just enough water, right? Get some like this size, not too big.
Not too
And make a bowl like this. Okay. And place it on the left side. Put your shrimp on. Place all from top and sides.
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Very expensive, yeah.
Like if you eat.
Try, maybe we won't like it, but we both really
Here and put it into.
Wow.
And we got 1 root of wasabi, 1,000 over 1,000 yen.
Wow.
So this is a special like a shaving board. And
Yeah.
This wooden one, but the surface of this one is made of shark skin.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
This will be the freshest wasabi you've ever had.
Yeah.
Let's try some sake.
Look at the size of that. That's
Not for this
huge.
much. It's from Tokyo.
This one's from Tokyo.
West of Tokyo. Yamanote line.
I'll go for that one.
Alright.
Awesome.
It's dry sake and very good with good with the sushi.
Yeah. It's not as strong as I thought.
Ah.
It smells stronger than I thought.
Thank you for the people. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the service. Everything.
Yeah.
So hands together.
Hands together.
Okay. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. So after a whirlwind of 3 hours of learning how to make sushi, we can finally tuck into our creations.
So good.
Honestly, this has probably been one of the most amazing interactive experiences we've done in Tokyo. And to be honest, we are shocked at what we have managed to put together on this plate.
I'm going in.
The knowledge we have learned in this one class will definitely stay with us forever. And now it's time to demolish this food.
I'm down to the last California roll, the big boy. And again, it's going to be done in one. Bottoms up. That was probably one of the best experiences we've done in Tokyo so far.
So good.
We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. That is our very first time making sushi.
It actually turned out pretty good.
I'm so impressed. I was just about to say, the presentation was amazing.
And we scoffed a lot, which obviously says a lot.
I am so full right now. And a term that we learnt today was gojuso-sama, which is thank you for this food. And it was oishi, delicious.
Very good. Stick around, guys, for more exciting adventures in Japan. Woo!